Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, let us start today's topic, the cockfight. The cockfight, you know, it is by Amin Kamil. It is by Amin Kamil. You know, it is based on the theme. It is based on the theme unique feministic nature, jealousy, rivalry, or uh, have good terms with your neighbors. It is from Kamil's collection, Kachaman's Cut. Yes, dear students, today we have to start from page number 127, para first. Sorry, para second. Shahmal's Galanus chanced to fall on his legs. They seemed to her from the claws to the top, the two ugliest cock legs she had ever seen. Her repugnance deepened, but she dared not shoo the hens away because he did not want Johnny the Skinny to show herself at the window at her words. She quickly took out a handful of rice and threw it to the birds from a distance. She would not have thrown any to the cock, but to the cock, but what could she do to the hens? The poor things could not be starved for the whole day. When Johnny the Skinny's cock heard the unfamiliar crowing from the other side of the wall, he stiffened his neck and stretched his chest. His body became tense. All his nerves taut. Kuta, katak, kuta, he crowed at the top of his voice as if calling out to the other compound. Yes, dear student, let us try to understand. Shahmal's Galanus chanced to fall on his legs. Shahmal's Galanus. Galanus means nazar look. Chanced means by chance. हाँ शामाल की जो नज़र है वो बाई चांस पड़ी किस पे मुर्गे की टांगों पर दे seemed to her they appeared to her from the claws to the top पंजों से लेकर ऊपर तक the two ugliest cock legs she had ever seen दो हाँ एक हो गया अगली सेकंड फॉर्म अगलियर थर्ड फॉर्म अगलियस्ट यानी सबसे ज़्यादा बदसूरत मुर्गी की टांगें जो उसने कभी देखी her repugnance deepened. Her repugnance means hatred. उसकी जो नफरत है वो ज़्यादा गहरी बन गई. But she dared not shoo the hens away. लेकिन उसने कोरेज नहीं की, जरूरत नहीं की to shoo the hens away. मुर्गियों को भगाने की shoo the hens away, exit the hens. Because she did not want Johnny the Skinny to show herself at the window at her words. क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहती थी जॉनी द सिकिनी को दिखाना अपने आप को हाँ जो ऊपर बैठती थी विंडो पे खिड़की पर और एट हर वर्ड्स उसकी बातों पर उसके अल्फाज पे She quickly took out a handful of rice ने जल्दी जल्दी मुट्ठी भर चावल निकाला and threw it to the birds from a distance और फेंक दिया परिंदों को दूर से She would not have thrown any to the cock. वो मुर्गे को कुछ नहीं फेंकती. But what could she do to the hens? लेकिन वो क्या कर सकती थी मुर्गियों को? हाँ. So it is a scene of hatred. It is a scene of repugnance. The poor things could not be starved for the whole day. बेचारी मुर्गियों को पूरे दिन भूखा नहीं रखा जा सकता. When Johnny the Skinny's cock heard the unfamiliar crowing from the other side of the wall, जब Johnny the Skinny के मुर्गे ने सुनी, unfamiliar means खास स्पेशल, crowing यानी मुर्गे का वो बांग देना, हाँ, आवाज करना from the other side of the wall, दीवार की दूसरी जानिब से, he stretched his neck, He hardened his neck. He made his neck rigid and extended and stretched his chest. अपनी छाती को फैलाया. His body became tense. उसका जिस्म बन गया tense. Tense means सख्त. All his nerves taut. उसकी तमाम जो nerves हैं, न्यूरॉन्स हैं, एसाब हैं, वो सख्त बन गई. Taut. Yes, his nerves become taut. Taut means rigid and extended. Kuta, katak, kutak. उसने आवाज लगाई कुटा कटक कटाक. He crowed at the top of his voice. उसने आजान दी, बांग दी. अपनी मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा ऊंची आवाज़ में, एज इफ कॉलिंग आउट अदर टू द अदर कंपाउंड, जैसे कि ये पुकार रहा था दूसरे सहन की जानिब. कुटा कू कुटा 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 कू कूट कुटाक. शाहमाल उसका also sit for his neck. शाहमाल के मुर्गे ने भी अपनी गर्दन को सख्त बनाया. एज इफ इट आंसर, जैसे जवाब में. इफ आई एम द I am the fair one, I am the nice one, I wish you come here and see yourself. मैं चाहता हूँ आप यहाँ आए and see yourself, see for yourself, खुद देखें. Why do you show me your fist from the other side? तुम मुझे क्यों दिखाते हो fist, मुट्ठी, दूसरी जानिब से. It means why do you challenge me from other side? Yes, students. Shahmal did not like this noise. She wished the cock could choke and be stricken dumb so that Johnny the Skinny would not hear him and be glued to the window. Instead of shooing him away, she picked up a lump of earth and threw it angrily at the cock, aiming at his head. It missed him, but he was startled and started crowing loudly, and Johnny the Skinny leaned out of a window. Why are you angry so early in the morning? What has the poor thing done? She asked. Yes, dear student, Shama did not like this noise. Shama ये शोर पसंद नहीं करती थी. She wished the cock would choke. वो चाहती थी जो मुर्गा है उसका गला घोटा जाए, गला दबाया जाए. और choke means block the windpipe. यानी हवाई नाली जो है वो दबा दी जाए. एंड बी स्ट्राइकन डैम, उसको क्या बनाया जाए, घोंगा बनाया जाए. स्ट्राइकन डैम मीन्स मेड स्पीचलेस. So that Johnny the Skinny would not hear him, ताकि Johnny the Skinny उसे ना सुने. And be glued to the window, और वो चिपक जाए, पेस्ट हो जाए खिड़की के साथ. Instead of shooing him away, she picked up a lump of earth. उसको भगाने के बजाय शाहमाल ने उठाया एक मिट्टी का ढीला piece of earth and threw it angrily at the cock. उसे फेंक दिया शरारत से मुर्गे पर. Aiming at his, निशाना था उसका सर. It missed him, निशाना चूक गया. But he was startled, लेकिन मुर्गा जो है वो he felt shocked. वो क्या हो गया, वो चूका रहा. And started crowing loudly, और उसने अब शुरू किया बांग देना, अजान देना जोर से. Johnny the Skinny leaned out of a window, और Johnny the Skinny वो झुक के निकली अपनी खिड़की से बाहर. तो क्या बोली, Why are you angry so early in the morning? तुम एंग्री क्यों हो आज इतने सवेरे सुबह. What has the poor thing done? She asked. उसने पूछा, ऐ शामा, इस बेचारे ने क्या किया. What has the poor thing done? इसने क्या किया? Shamal felt like a thief caught in the act of stealing. हाँ, here is a simile. Shamal felt, Shamal ने महसूस किया, like a thief caught in the act of stealing, like a thief caught red-handed. यानी शामा ने ऐसे महसूस किया जैसे एक चोर को चोरी करते करते पकड़ा जाए। ऐसे कश्मीरी में कहते हैं हाय आयस मतन, उर्दू में कहते हैं बहुत बहुत शर्मिंदा हुई। All her body exuded sweat. All her body gave off sweat. पूरे जिस्म से बाहर आया पसीना। The careful steps she had taken to avoid encounter were of no avail. जो मोहतात इकदाम उसने किए थे टालने के लिए इनकाउंटर मुकाबला किसके साथ? हाँ, जॉनी द स्किनी का, they were of no use, वो बेफायदा। हाँ, avail means use, फायदा। Johnny the Skinny's words confirmed her suspicion. जॉनी द स्किनी उसके जो बातें हैं उसने उन्होंने कन्फर्म किया, तस्दीक की, हर सस्पिशन उसके शक को। That the woman had heard, कि औरत ने सुना है, who? Johnny the Skinny had heard that cock crow at nightfall, कि उसका मुर्गा वो रात को अजान देता है। And her words were disguised mockery, और उसके जो अल्फाज थे they were disguised. Yes, disguise means hidden, mockery means insult or ridicule. जहाँ उसकी जो बातें थी वो अब hidden mockery थे, hidden insult. She mustered up her courage and said. अब शाहमाल ने क्या किया? She gathered up her courage, यानी उसने हिम्मत की। And said, और कहा, why should I be angry? मैं क्यों नाराज हो जाऊँ? He doesn't let the poor hens come near the grains. ये मुर्गा अलाउ नहीं करता है बेचारी मुर्गियों को अनाज के नजदीक आने को। Why? That is why I secured him away. इसीलिए मैंने उसे भगा दिया, या फ्राइटन किया ताकि वो भाग जाए, यानी डरा के भगाना। Newly come he is, that is why just wait to see him feeding them himself. From tomorrow laughed Johnny the Skinny. Johnny the Skinny वो हंसी, ने क्या बोला? न्यूली कम ही इज, वो नया आया है, दैट इज व्हाई, इसीलिए। जस्ट वेट, सिर्फ इंतजार करो। सी हिम फीडिंग देम हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम टुमारो, वो इनको खुद खिलाएगा कल से। यस, बट दैट वुड बी ट्रू ओनली इफ वी हैड टू कीप द बर्ड he has been brought for meat. Shamal felt she should not leave Johnny a chance to taunt her afterwards. We would have killed the bird yesterday itself, but we decided to wait till the morning. Yes, but that would be true only. वो सिर्फ सच होगा अगर, if we had to keep the bird, अगर हमें ये परिंदा रखना है, यानी मुर्गा रखना। He has been brought for meat, इसके को हमने गोश्त के लिए खरीद लाया है। Shamal felt, Shamal ने महसूस किया, she should not leave Johnny a chance to taunt her afterwards. वो कोई मौका ना छोड़े। To taunt means mock or ridicule, तंज करना, afterwards बाद में। We would have killed the bird yesterday itself, हमने कल ये परिंदा मारा होता, but we decided to wait till the morning, हमने फैसला लिया सुबह तक इंतजार करने का। But why will you kill him? Johnny perhaps thought that if they kept him, her own cock would be left alone. See how handsome he is, and his voice too is impressive. But why? लेकिन क्यों मारोगे? Why will you kill him? क्यों मारोगे तुम इसको? Johnny perhaps thought, यानी शायद सोचा, that if they kept him, अगर उसको रखेंगे, her cock, own cock would be left alone, उसका अपना मुर्गा तन्हा रहेगा। See how handsome he is, वो तारीफ करती है कितना खूबसूरत है, and his voice too is impressive, उसकी आवाज भी मुतासिर करने वाली है, इफेक्टिव है। शाहमाल मुड़ गई, she had heard it after all. यानी उसने सोचा कि उसने जो रात को अजान दी, बांग दी, उसने सुनी. Why else, why else would she praise her voice? वरना वो क्यों उसकी आवाज की तारीफ करे? But she preferred to ignore the jeep in her reply. लेकिन उसने प्रेफर किया, लाइक बेटर, तरजीह दी, इग्नोर, टालना, क्या? द जीप इन हर रिप्लाई. जीप ऑल्सो मीन्स टॉन्ट. हाँ, यानी ताना जनी कसना. इन हर रिप्लाई, उसने इसको अवॉइड किया, उसकी तरफ तवज्जो नहीं दी. ओह, you think I would care to keep these filthy sticking cockroaches which flood the markets? Why we can't find the breed we want, but someone has promised to get it for us. Oh, think. Oh, you think, तुम सोचती हो, I would care to keep the filthy. मैं माइंड करूंगी कि मैं रखूंगी ये filthy, गंदे, स्टिकिंग, बदबूदार कॉकरेल्स, छोटे मुर्गे, which flood the markets, जिनसे मार्केट्स भरे हुए. We can't find the breed we want. We cannot. हम पा नहीं सके जो रेस, जो नस्ल हम चाहते. But someone has promised to get it for us. लेकिन किसी ने वादा किया है वो हमारे लिए लाएगा. यानी the Sikini could make nothing of those words. She wondered at Shahmal's new coldness. Hadn't she been praising her rooster to the sky? But then perhaps Shahmal's words were meant for her. That she was keeping a stranger cock. She was about to make a sharp retort when Shamal walked off indoors. Johnny had to swallow her anger. An interesting scene. Johnny the Sikini, yes, dear student, could make nothing of those words. It means she could not understand what Shamal meant by these words. She wondered at Shamal's new coldness. वो हैरान थी शामाल की जो ये नई खामोशी थी, साइलेंस थी, क्वाइटनेस थी. Hadn't she been praising her rooster to the sky? क्या वो नहीं करती तारीफ उसके रूस्टर की, बांगी की बहुत? But then perhaps Shamal's words were meant for her. लेकिन तब भी शायद शामाल के अल्फाज, उनका मतलब, उनका इशारा मेरी तरफ था. That she was keeping a scavenger cow, कि मैं रखती हूँ मेरे पास एक scavenger cow. She was about to make a sharp retort. वो जानी तैयार थी जवाब देने में. Sharp retort, sharp means तुरंत, retort means back on answer back, यानी जवाबी वापस जो जवाब देना था. when Shamal walked off into, जब शामाल अंदर चली गई. Johnny had to swallow her anger. जानी को अपना गुस्सा निगलना पड़ा. Means she had to control her anger. Yes. Next para, following into the samovar. Samovar, Shamal was settled deep in thought about that problem created by the cock. She would make her husband kill him, and if he did not agree, she would have the bird killed by Samad, the slaughterer. Let me see how he protests when the dish is brought before him at dinner. Blowing into the samovar, Shamal was settled deep in thought about the problem created by the crow. Blowing into the samovar. samovar को फूंक मारते हुए शामाल अभी भी गहरी सोच में थी उस प्रॉब्लम के बारे में जो मुर्गे से पैदा हुई थी. She would make her husband kill him. वो अपने खामद को से उसको मार डलवाएगी. And if he didn't agree, अगर वो नहीं मानेगा, she would have the bird killed by Samad the slaughterer. वो मारेगी इस परिंदे को किसके जरिए? समद के जरिए. हुआ समद the slaughterer, the butcher. Let me see how he protests. Let me see how Ghulam Khan protests, her husband, when the dish is brought before him at dinner. जब उसके पास खाना लाएगा, तरकारी लाएगी, ज़ियाफ़त लाई जाएगी डिनर के टाइम। When Ghulam Khan came home the mosque, जब गुलाम खान आ गए घर मस्क, शामाल poured him a cup of tea, शामाल ने उसको डाली चाय की प्याली। And spoke sternly and spoke bitterly, spoke firmly. Drink up your tea and then get rid of the cow. चाय पियो और मुर्गी से नजात दिलाओ। What will the neighbors say? हमसाया क्या कहेंगे? Don't we have to live amongst them? क्या हमें उनके दरमियान नहीं रहना, उनके बीचों बीच नहीं रहना? Yes, dear students, we have the neighbors. What have the neighbors got to do with it? Demanded Ghulam Khan, munching a piece of bread. It is not the month of Ramadan that confusion would arise about the dawn. What have the neighbors got to do with? हमसायों को क्या करना है उसके साथ? Demanded Ghulam Khan ने demand. Munching a piece of bread. Munching means eating noisily. हप करान खन बड़बड़ा के खाना। उसने रोटी का टुकड़ा बड़बड़ा के खाया, noisily खाया. It is not the month of Ramadan. ये रमजान का महीना नहीं है. That confusion would arise about the dawn. कि सहरी के बारे में परेशानी होगी, confusion होगी, इंतशार ज़हनियत होगी. It is interjection. You only know how to talk and argue. She added after a while. If you don't want to, don't. I myself shall him have killed by Samad, the slaughterer. Do you think I will fatten this monster of the vomit? Yes, dear students. ये मान लो एक दूसरे एहजाज के वक्त बोला जाता है. You only know how to talk and argue. आप सिर्फ बातें करना जानते हो और आर्ग्यू करना, तकरार करना जानते हो. She added after a while. थोड़ी देर के बाद उसने मजीद कहा. If you don't want to, अगर नहीं आप मारना चाहते हो, don't, नहीं. I myself shall him have killed by Samad. मैं खुद उसको मरवाऊंगी, ज़बा करवाऊंगी समद के जरिए. समद was the slaughter of the butcher. Don't you think I will fatten this monster of yours? क्या आप सोचते हो मैं इस बुरी बला को मोटा बनाऊंगी? Do as you like. Ghulam Khan ended the discussion. Only don't ask me to buy a cock again. गुलाम खान ने डिस्कशन एंड की. करो जो करना है, करो जो पसंद है. Only don't ask me to buy a cock again. सिर्फ मुझे ना के ना दोबारा मुर्गा लाना. What Shamal said, I want, as if there were a famine of cocks in town. Shamal blew fiercely into the samovar, and then Johnny the skinny poor cock hangs about the country yard the whole day. What do we need another cock for? I won't. मैं नहीं कहूँगी आपको कोई मुर्गा दोबारा लाना. As if there were famine of cocks, as if there was shortage of cocks in the town. Famine means cause shortage. Oh, Shamal blew fiercely into the samovar. Shamal ने जोर से फूंका samovar में. And then Johnny the skinny poor cock. Johnny the skinny का बेचारा मुर्गा wanders about the country yard. Hangs about the country yard. Strays, lingers country yard. वो घूमता रहता है whole side पूरे दिन. And what do we need another cock? फिर हमें दूसरा मुर्गा किसके लिए? Shamal wanted to be the rid of the cock by any means. Shamal चाहती थी छुटकारा पाना इस मुर्गे से किसी तरीके से भी. She was filled with a profound disgust for it. She was filled with, वो भरी हुई थी. Clear, significant, profound, deep, disgust, नाराजगी, distaste for him, मुर्गे के लिए. She saw Johnny's white teeth grinning at her. उसने देखा, शामाल ने देखा जानी के, जानी के सफेद दांत, grinning, smiling at her. The flutter of cocks, flutter, F-L-U-T-T, or flutter. Flutter means fadana. The flutter of the cock's wings sounded like Johnny's chuckle to her ears. जो मुर्गे के पंखों का फड़फड़ाना, it sounded like Johnny's chuckle. Uh, Johnny is questioning to her ears. Yes. C-H-U-C, it means quite law. मुंह दबा हुआ कहका, ऐसा लगा किसको, उसके कानों को. It is a simile here. He seemed her to be the sole cause of all her shame and humiliation. He here refers to the cock. The cock seemed to her. Cock उसे लगता था to be the sole. Sole means only or unique cause of all her shame. जो उसके लिए पूरी शर्मिंदगी थी, humiliation, insult. As soon as Ghulam Khan left for work, जो ही Ghulam Khan काम के लिए चला गया, Shamal went to Samad to see whether he was in. Shamal चली गई समद के पास देखने के लिए कि वो दुकान में था. He lived 2 or 3 houses away. वो कितना दूर था? 2 or 3 houses away, and killing the cocks. Killing the cocks of the neighborhood was his specialty. और हमसायों के मुर्गे मारना उसका जॉब था. Specialty means job, specialty means profession. Samad was at home. Samad घर पे थे. Yes, Samad was at home. Samad घर पे थे. He saw her from his window. उसने देखा शामाल को खिड़की से. And guessing her business, guessing her job, उसका काम के अंदाजा करते हुए, estimating her business, said कहा, go and bring him here. जाओ उसे यहाँ लाओ. I will kill him right now. मैं उसे भी मारूंगा. But remember, लेकिन याद रखना, I will come to you for dinner. मैं आपके घर आऊँगा, आपके पास आऊँगा शाम रात का खाना खाने के लिए. Don't imagine that only the two of you will share the feast. ये न सोचना कि सिर्फ तुम दो ये पार्टी शेयर करोगे, फीस्ट शेयर करोगे. You are welcome, said Shamal. Shamal ने कहा, आपका खैर मकदम है. She came back home with a light heart, a smile on her lips. She was happy that she could now hold her head high. No longer would she have to listen to Johnny's piercing taunts day in and day out. But a strange sight met her eyes when she stepped into her compound. The hens had retreated at the corner. Johnny's cock and her own were struggling desperately with each other, raising clouds of dust around them. Johnny the skinny was enjoying the cockfight from her window. Shahmar discerned a flush of joy on her face. She was apparently sure of her cock's victory, perhaps because his corn was smaller but thicker, his wet clung to his throat, and his sturdy limbs made him look a thorough fighter. He had trounced all the other cocks of the neighborhood in fight. Yes, a special scene. She came back home with a light heart. She came home relaxed. For example, she had a smile on her lips. उसके होंठों पर मुस्कुराहट थी. She was happy that she could now hold her head high. वो खुश थी. वो अब इज्जत के साथ अपना सर ऊंचा करके चल सकती थी. No confidence, एतमाद के साथ, इज्जत के साथ. No longer would she have to listen to the Johnny's piercing taunts day and out. अब उसे रोज नहीं सुननी होगी Johnny's piercing biting taunts, यानी उसके जो तनज थे, छेद करने वाले तनज थे, उसको सुनने नहीं पड़ेंगे. But a strange sight met her eye. लेकिन एक अजीब नज़ारे से उसके आंखों को वास्ता पड़ा. When she stepped into the compound, जब वो दाखिल होगी अपने सहन में. The hens had retreated to a corner. मुर्गियाँ, they had gone back to corner. जब वो चली गई थी कोने में. Johnny's cock and her own were struggling desperately with each other. Johnny का मुर्गा और शामाल का मुर्गा दोनों जबरदस्त लड़ाई कर रहे थे एक दूसरे के साथ। रेजिंग क्लाउड्स ऑफ डस्ट अराउंड देम, अपने इर्द गिर्द वो धूल के बादल चढ़ा रहे थे। जॉनी द सिकिनी वॉज एंजॉयिंग द कॉक फाइट फ्रॉम हर विंडो, जॉनी द सिकिनी वो लुत्फ उठा रही थी, मजे ले रही थी कॉक फाइट का फ्रॉम हर विंडो, अपनी खिड़की से। शाहमार discerned a flush of joy on her face, शामाल ने डिटेक्ट किया, ऑब्जर्व किया, फ्लश ऑफ जॉय, रेड कलर, हाँ रेडिश कलर, किसके, उसके चेहरे पर। शी वॉज अपरेंटली श्योर, और शी वॉज क्लियरली श्योर, उसको पूरा यकीन था, ऑफ हर कॉक्स विक्ट्री, उसके मुर्गे की सक्सेस की, कामयाबी की। परहैप्स बिकॉज, शायद इसलिए, his कॉम was smaller than thicker, उसका कॉम मीन्स ताज या कलगी, वो छोटा था लेकिन मोटा। his wattle, wattle means मुर्ग का पोटा, हाँ wattle means a fleshy brightly colored fold of skin hanging from the neck or throat in certain birds, जिसको कश्मीरी में मावल कहते हैं और उर्दू में कहते हैं मुर्ग का पोटा। हाँ, इसका जो वेटल था वो लटका हुआ था इसके गले से, एंड स्टडी लिम्ब्स मेड हिम लुक ए थॉरो फाइटर, उसकी मजबूत टांगें उसे वो लगता था थॉरो फाइटर मीन्स कंप्लीट लड़ाकू यानी जंग करने वाला। He had trounced all the other cocks of the neighborhood in fight. He had trounced means he has beaten, उसने शिकस्त दी तमाम दूसरे मुर्गों को अपने पड़ोस में इन फाइट लड़ाई में। I feel today it is enough. Dear students,